guys, it's Danny back with another video. Today I have the Sony FDR-X3000 action camera. So this is supposed to compete with GoPro. This camera is a couple years old. However, I think in my opinion it's got better clarity, more features than even the new GoPro Hero 7 that just came out a couple months ago. So with that, I have the camera, which has the waterproof housing, and then we've also got a lens hood right here that I'm going to install. So let's go ahead and get this open. I am excited. This is going to be used for vlogging. Since I'm getting back into vlogging, I want something better than the GoPro Session that I've been using. So, and the fact that this shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second is very nice. So, with that being said, let's see what's in this box real quick. Okay, so documentation with a Sony advertisement to sign up for their MasterCard. Also comes with a Sony ActionCam sticker, kind of random, but okay. And we've got, I think I opened up the boring part first because it looks like we've got the cables in here. Let me open up the other end real quick. Yeah, so we've got, looks like a mount, micro USB cable, yeah, so, and the battery. So there's that. So, let's go ahead and open up the other box, and there's nothing else in that box, so we'll set that off to the side. And this should contain the camera. Okay, that's all that's in that box. And so, yep, there it is. Very light, very nice. White, shoots in 4K. This comes off easily. I think you just push on this. Yeah, push on that, and it takes it out of the waterproof housing. So that lifts up, and that lifts off like that, and you simply, well, I say simply, but you're supposed to just pull the camera. Oh, there we go. It is simple. Okay, so yeah, there's the waterproof housing unit. Probably won't be using that all that much just because I want to be able to have better audio, but that's why I did buy the lens hood. So let's open that real quick. So I'll go ahead and just slice through the plastic like that. And this should be a pretty seamless application, honestly. Also comes with a little lanyard thing, which I probably won't use, but yeah. So we've got the lens hood right here, and all you do is you get the plastic stuck to your hand. There you go. Okay, so all you do is it just slides right in the lens hood. So we just do a little bit of, does it slide in or you just push in? I guess you just push in. Anyway, I'll come back to that. So, real quick, get this thing focused. So you've got the menu button here for different options. I'll go ahead and turn on the camera, assuming it's got, oh, you know what? It might help if I put the battery in first. So let me do that. Yeah, it does. It slides down so you can see the yellow. And then you're supposed to just be able to pry the door open like that. And we're gonna install the battery. Just press down. There you go. No problem. They kind of make that door a little tough to get back in, but there you go, it's back in like that, and then you just lock it in place. There you go. So the battery's installed. So I'm going to turn on the camera. Very audible, very nice. Okay, it needs me to set the time. Okay, so it is nice and set up. So first thing I'm gonna do though is go in the menu. These beeps are driving me insane. So I'm gonna go into settings, and then that was the wrong button to hit. settings. There it is, a little music note icon. Click on that. Wait a minute. Maybe that's not it. Oh, there's two music note icons. Okay, so on, I'll have it on limit. That way it doesn't beep every time I want to do something in the menu. So there we go. Very nice. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and show you guys what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Keep in mind, this is the new camera I'm gonna be using for vlogging. So, yeah, very excited. So here we go. I'm gonna put the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and put the SD card in, and we're gonna go and shoot some footage. So here we go. Okay, so this is the first clip I've ever filmed with this camera. Very interested to see how it looks. Really comfortable to hold in my hand. And I've got actually a Rode Video Micro external microphone on the way. It'll be here Friday. It's gonna go on the bottom of this because it comes with a mount as well as a wind resistant cover for the microphone, so it should help with some wind noise for when I'm outside. But yeah, this is a really nice looking camera, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. But yeah, this is the first test, so yeah, there we go. And so now that was 1080p at 30 frames per second. This is now 4K at 30 frames per second. And I noticed that I've got a 64 gigabyte memory card in there right now. And when it was 1080p, it said 8 hours and some minutes remaining. 4K mode, there's only 2 hours remaining. So 4K on this, very cool. The file sizes are going to be massive, so I don't know I'll be filming 4K that much, but certain things I will. So yeah, but this is 4K. So, and now we're gonna go back and look at the camera itself a little bit more. So there you guys go. That was the footage. Hopefully it looks good. I haven't really, I haven't looked yet, so I'll check it out obviously in post. But a couple more things I wanted to point out. It's got the mount for a tripod on the bottom, which is nice. Something GoPro does not have. Very nice. As well as all the ports on the back. So we've got mini HDMI right there. Let me see, this is hard to do upside down. Mini HDMI, and then we got micro USB. This is what you use to charge, and then this is for an external mic. So I have the, like I mentioned earlier, I have the the Rode Video Micro, I believe is what it's called, on Friday. So I will hook it up to this and we'll have even better audio. Not to say this has bad microphones, it actually has really good microphones here in the front, but a shotgun mic is always better. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I have a low battery showing up on the Canon, and don't think the Canon's going anywhere. It's actually not. As you can see, I'm obviously using this to film this video, and look at the amazing quality the Canon puts out. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.